Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to this channel then please consider subscribing, and if you are already part of this channel then thank you so very much for coming back to my videos and liking my videos. Now I have created this very simple look under 3000 rupees. So this is basically a beginner makeup kit, and also you will like learn how to do makeup. If you are not pro like me then you can definitely watch this video. अगर आप beginner हैं then you can watch my video to learn कि कैसे हम step by step makeup करते हैं, because I try to explain makeup in very simple language, not like a professional because I'm not a professional, just like any other person जो कि जिसको मेकअप में इंटरेस्ट होगा और जो like basic normal makeup करना चाहता है उसकी तरह. So if you want to know how I created this look then keep on watching. Okay, to start with I'm using this Sugar ka moisturizer. Now this one is a Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer in shade Peach Poppin. This one was free with Sugar का जो compact highlighter वाला kit आता है, तो उसके साथ ये free था. तो I'm not gonna count the price for this one. You can use any moisturizer जो भी आपके घर में अवेलेबल हो. मैंने इसीलिए स्पेशली कोई मॉइस्चराइज़र किट में नहीं डाला है. पॉन्ड्स का जो मॉइस्चराइज़र आता है वो काफ़ी इनएक्सपेंसिव होता है, एंड आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ पीपल टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. इट्स अ गुड मॉइस्चराइज़र, सो यू कैन गेट दैट वन एज वेल, बट आई एम गोना जस्ट यूज दिस वन. Just make sure that this is a illuminating moisturizer, so you will feel a little bit of shininess on your face after using this one. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is use a primer. So I'm using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I've already talked about this primer multiple times. This is a really good primer if you are looking for a pores को अगर आप if you have like large pores then you can definitely get this one. I got the mini size, like a smaller size, but इसमें थोड़ा बड़ा size भी आता है. But I would suggest you to guys go for a mini size first and see कि आपकी skin पे कैसा work करता है, आपके face पे कैसा work करता है, and then you can maybe get the full size version. Now it has like a little bit of pink tint because I think it's a silicone based primer, so I kind of know कि ये इस टाइप का ही होगा. This is a great primer if you are looking for a pore minimizer, like a blur kind of primer. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 128. Again I got the mini version of it. I always prefer to invest in mini versions क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक ही बार में full size पे जाना is I feel like a stupidity, because you never know कि वो product आपको सूट करेगा कि नहीं या आपके लिए कैसा रहेगा. So just go for a like अगर आप obviously budget में चीज़ें खरीदना चाहते हैं then go for smaller sizes rather than just going for like big full size bottle. Okay, so next I'm gonna use this liquid concealer by Swiss Beauty. I got this in shade 02. It's I guess 2 shade or 3 shade lighter than my skin tone, so make sure that you get a concealer 2 shades lighter. If you are not that good in makeup, do not apply lot of concealer at one go. Just try to build it up, see कि कितना आपके लिए work करता है. Don't just push yourself and use lot of amount. Okay, so if I just want to review that product, I think that product has great coverage, but I don't like it that much. I feel it has a very powdery kind of effect. I don't know how to explain it, but it does give like full coverage, but it has a very different texture. Okay, so now to set my concealer, I'm gonna use this Faces Canada ka compact powder. Now I couldn't get loose powder because we were under some budget, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं compact powder ले लेती हूँ एक अच्छा सा, and then I'm gonna use it for setting my makeup as well. So I'm gonna use this and set my concealer. I don't know how much it's gonna work. Okay, it's pretty fine. It will do the job. I'm gonna take quite a lot of amount and just apply it like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on my eyes. For my eyes, I have this palette by Swiss Beauty. It's a shadow palette number 01. This is how it looks like. Again, very neutral pinkish kind of shades, which will go with lot of like looks, I would say. That's why I always prefer using like neutral, nude, muted tones. Now today we do have two dark colors, but I think I'll go with these, like this, and then maybe a little bit of like a sparkle wala color. We're gonna see what we will create today, but for sure we're gonna use these two neutral shades and then maybe like top it off with this pink color. Okay, so I have not included any tools like any makeup brush or like a beauty blender, because it was not possible to include that in just 3000 rupees. But you can definitely get like a brush ka set from Miniso or maybe from online from any other site, क्योंकि Miniso पे काफ़ी सस्ते मिलते हैं, so you can get that. But like I just like, okay, so when I decided to make this video, there was one thing in my mind कि मुझे ये नहीं करना है कि just because I wanted to keep it under 3000, I didn't want to like use product जो कि अच्छे भी नहीं है and just use them for the sake of video. So I didn't want to do that. So that is the reason why I excluded makeup tools. I thought कि जो product use कर रहे हैं at least वो अच्छे होने चाहिए rather than just going for any product. So okay, let's just move on to eyeshadow. So I'm gonna first use this shade, this one. This is a very neutral shade just to set my base. So first I'm gonna start with that neutral shade and just give it a base. Today we're gonna do this eye first and then move on to this one. So we'll see. First we'll create this eye. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this brown shade, which is little darker. Like it's not exactly brown, it's more like a a little dark than the one we chose earlier. So I'm gonna just build it up. Okay, so next I'm gonna take, okay, so I have two options. Either I can take this color and mix it up with this, because this one is a plain color and this one is like a bit of sparkle, or I can take this one and this one. So maybe because I've gone with a lot of pinks in last few days, so I'll just probably select this one and this one. We'll see how will it look. Okay, so now is the real test of how pigmented it is, because अभी तक क्या हो रहा था कि अभी तक we were choosing very light colors. We just wanted to give it like a shade of it, but now we're gonna see कि कितने अच्छे से. Okay, it's quite good. I don't know if you guys can see or make out, but yeah, it's a good pigmentation. It has like good pigmentation. Okay, so because the color is very light, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and try to like थोड़ा सा इसको blend करने का, because I could see a really harsh line on my lid. So I'm gonna take a darker, like dark pink वाला जो color होता है, ये वाला, and I'm gonna apply that and see कि ये कितना visible है. Okay, so this one is better. I'm liking it. Maybe I'll just use my fingers to see. Okay, so now I'm gonna quickly do my left eye as well and see you in a minute. Okay, so जो glitter वाले शेड हैं, जो नॉर्मल वाले शेड हैं वो ठीक है, बट जो glitter वाले शेड हैं वो मेक श्योर दैट आप अपना जो ब्रश है उस पर थोड़ा सा सेटिंग स्प्रे अप्लाई कर लो, उसको थोड़ा सा गीला कर लो, बिकॉज वो इतना ईजिली आपके आईलिड पे शो नहीं हो रहे हैं. लाइक इफ़ आई एम यूजिंग फिंगर्स टू अप्लाई दोज लाइक स्पार्कल वाले कलर्स, दे आर नॉट शोइंग अप दैट मच, बट यूजिंग लाइक अ वेट वाला ब्रश, मतलब सेटिंग स्प्रे से सेट करने वाला ब्रश सेट करके मैंने उसको यूज़ किया, तो एज यू गाइज कैन सी इट्स राइट हियर, तो थोड़ा सा उसमें प्रॉब्लम है, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जो और कलर्स हैं, जो नॉर्मल वाले कलर्स हैं वो ठीक है. नाउ फॉर माई आईब्रोज आई एम यूजिंग दिस वाटर प्रूफ आईब्रो पेंसिल, बट आई थिंक आई गॉट अ रॉन्ग शेड. आई गॉट लाइट ब्राउन. आई थिंक मुझे डार्क ब्राउन लाना चाहिए था. आई डोंट नो what came to my mind and I decided to go for a light brown, but ठीक है. Now since we have got it, this is how it looks like. I believe इसका कलर भी कुछ ऐसा ही होगा जैसा दिख रहा है. So this is by Miss Claire. Now I'm gonna quickly fill my brows. Yeah, that's the piece of advice I can give right now, that go for a dark brown. Look at this, like it's seriously like, oh my god. I'm not gonna use like the pencil essay, I mean tip se. I'm gonna just do it like this. So I'm taking a very precise brush and just take that pink color and apply it on my lower lash line. So as an eyeliner I'm using this Swiss Beauty ka glimmer liner for eyes. It's in black shade and this can I think work as a kajal if you want to, and you can always use this for eyeliner as well, as an eyeliner as well. So this is how my eyeliner looks like. So you can obviously make it more intense as per your requirement, but I'm pretty happy with how it is looking right now. Definitely it's completely your choice. You want to go more like bold, then you can do that, and if you want to be like a very simple look, then you can obviously make like obviously the tip is very precise and you can obviously sharp it up according to your choice as well. Okay, so I'm done with both my eyes. So as I always say that I just line like my line till here, not like towards the end, because मुझे अच्छा लगता है सिर्फ end में वो look देना rather than just going for like full काजल वाला effect. So we are almost done with eyes. The only thing left is applying a mascara. So I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. Good thing about this one is a waterproof mascara, and it has a very like a bended kind of wand to give you a very curled wala effect obviously. So I'm gonna just apply that and see how does it work. Okay, so you can yourself see the difference between my both eyes. इस पे मैंने मस्कारा अप्लाई किया हुआ है और इस पे नहीं है. So this one is looking very flat and this one does have like curl. ओके, सो बाय अप्लाइंग इट जस्ट मेक श्योर कि जब आप इसको अप्लाई करें, बिकॉज द वॉन्ड इज अ लिटिल लाइक बेंडेड टूवर्ड्स एक अपवर्ड्स, तो मेक श्योर कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेस ना करें. बिकॉज मेरे को दोनों आईज़ पे मैंने क्या किया है कि मैंने जब उसको प्रेस किया बहुत ज़्यादा आईलैश को कर्ल करने के लिए, तो वो ऊपर टच हो गए थे. सो मेक श्योर कि आप वो सिचुएशन को अवॉइड करिए, बिकॉज यू डोंट वॉन्ट टू ruin योर आई shadow because of the mascara. So that's the only tip I want to give right now. Okay, so next product is product जो कि मैं बहुत दिन से सोच रही थी खरीदने का, but I never like got it. Next is this Sugar का Contour D-Force Face Palette. It's a great palette. I have heard really good stuff about it. It's in shade 02 Vivid Victory. So इसके दो शेड आते हैं. Though this palette is a little on expensive side, मतलब expensive नहीं बोलेंगे, but अगर हम drug store की बात करें तो ये इतना भी सस्ता नहीं है, बट आई थिंक इट इज़ अ गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट बिकॉज इसमें तीनों चीज़ें मिल रही हैं एंड एवरीथिंग इट हैज़ आर लाइक रियली गुड फॉर इंडियन स्किन टोन. लाइक द लुक एट द कॉन्टोर एंड देन दिस हाईलाइटर एंड द ब्लश एज वेल. ब्लश भी ब्लश हैज़ दैट इफेक्ट जो कि इंडियन स्किन टोन पे अच्छा काम करेगा. सो फर्स्ट आई एम गोना जस्ट अप्लाई द कॉन्टोर, like just give a bronzing effect. I don't believe in contour that much, so I just use it like a bronzer. So I don't know. Okay, so because the palette is like really small, so I'm gonna use this kind of brush today just to give it a contour bronzing effect. So yeah, let's see. Look at this. Okay, so next I'm gonna use this blush which is very pink. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush by Real Technique. You can get any fluffy brush which you have available. Trust me guys, it's a really great palette. Like अगर आपको इस पूरे वीडियो में कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट नहीं पसंद आ रहे हैं ना, देन एटलीस्ट ट्राई दिस वन. दिस अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट. लाइक अभी मुझे लगता है कि कैमरे पे शायद उतना अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहा है, बट देयर इज़ लाइक द प्रोडक्ट इज़ सो गुड, इट्स सो पिगमेंटेड. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में यूज़ करने की जरूरत है. इट्स रियली ग्रेट पैलेट. Okay, so the last thing left is highlighter. You know I don't use brush for highlighters, so I'm gonna just take my finger and apply this highlighter. I'm just keeping my finger crossed कि ये ज़्यादा golden ना दिखे, which I hate. So let's see. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it. You know why? Because oh my god, it has that like a chunkiness highlighting वाला effect, but it's so matching with my skin tone कि ये ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि मैंने अलग से कुछ लगाया, which is best. I don't know if you guys can see the highlighting effect. I'm gonna just apply a little like more, but अगर real life में आप मुझे देखोगे तो I'll just apply this much, but now since because कैमरा पे उतना ज़्यादा पता नहीं चलता, so I'm gonna just apply little extra. Like look at this. This is how much the amount you get when you take it on your fingers. So now you can understand, like it might not show on camera that much, but it's really good highlighter. It is the kind of shade which I'll prefer for my highlighter. It's a really nice palette. Okay, so just to set everything, I'm using this compact powder which I showed you earlier from Faces Canada, just to make sure कि ये ज़्यादा oily ना रहे, because I have like oily skin and you know the struggle of oily skin type person. So I'm gonna just set everything using this compact powder. और इससे क्या होगा ना कि कहीं भी अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा लग गया है या फिर it's not looking that nice, just apply a compact powder and just settle everything up. Okay, so for setting spray, I'm using this Makeup Fixer Natural Aloe Vera with Vitamin E setting spray from Swiss Beauty. Okay, so for my lipstick, I'm using this Bullet lipstick by Faces Canada. It's a really good lipstick in shade Pink Sugar. I really like Faces Canada wali lipsticks because they're very affordable and plus they work really well. Okay, so this is how the final look looks like. I'm pretty happy with the overall look. To be honest, in 3000, like when you get like just one palette from a luxury brand, you get all these products in just 3000 rupees. I think that's quite a deal, guys, and I really like it. I really like the overall look. Do let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Do you like the products? अगर आप लोगों ने इन प्रोडक्ट को पहले से यूज़ किया हुआ है तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए कि आपके लिए कैसे वर्क करते हैं. एंड ऑनेस्टली अगर आपको लगता है कि इनमें से कोई प्रोडक्ट ऐसा है जो आपने यूज़ किया है और जो आपके लिए अच्छा नहीं काम कर रहा है, देन ऑल्सो डू लेट मी नो, बिकॉज आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू नो. लाइक अगर मेरे ऊपर कोई प्रोडक्ट काम कर रहा है देन it's not like 100% like I'm not 100% sure कि हर किसी पे काम करेगा, but yes, work for me. That's why I've suggested you guys. So I hope आपको ये look पसंद आया और I hope आपको ये overall video पसंद आई हो. Do let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this video, and please come back to my videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, and do follow me on Instagram as well. I'm pretty active on my Instagram, like, and yes, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.